What's up, guys? Welcome to Aries Motorhome, the quick and easy where nothing is quick. This Jeep was definitely not easy. Welcome. So to save you time, a lot of time, because I was chasing a gremlin. So there's like a little four-wheel drive with exclamation point right here. When you turn it on, well, not anymore, I should have recorded this beforehand, but let me show you. Okay, so you see that four-wheel drive with little exclamation point? That thing was on, and I was chasing this problem for a long time now. Spent hours and hours looking at the different things. Is it speed sensors? Is it this? Is it ABS? Is it blah blah blah? So many things. And believe it or not, so the first thing first, I would do next time, stupid four-wheel drive switch. As you can see, it's all gunked up with a coffee and Pepsi or whatnot, and that was the culprit. So literally this right here, to turn on and off four-wheel drive, this thing wasn't working. So in order to remove that, to replace that, there's two Torx screws, like one here. It's a very fine tooth, it's like a very small one, so I don't know which one exactly. And you're gonna need Phillips. So literally right here, there are two screws, Phillips screws right here, two of them inside, and then this slides out. There's like one little connection at the bottom. You unplug that, and this whole thing, you're gonna have to pull the e-brake so you can unslide it all out. Literally 10 minutes of work. Replace this. If you have that stupid little light there, before you do anything else, that was like $5 on a junkyard, or this one right here was like $5 a junkyard, like literally. Yeah, so 10 minutes, replace this. If you fix it, yeah, sure, you spend 10 minutes and $5. If not, at least you know it's not this stupid freaking thing.